Hello, this is Jackie from the Dave Forsyth Band with Quick Flip Decor, and today we are going to do an imaginary trip to Paris. So with just a few things, I am going to change the atmosphere of my room, let it look like it's a little bit of a Paris salon. It's something that you can do yourself easily. You may not do Paris, you could do Germany, you may do Puerto Rico, you may do Mexico. While you're staying at home, just see what you have. Bring in a few things, some of the knickknacks that when you've traveled, you brought home with you, or maybe somebody else brought them for you. You can pull together your own look. I am also baking a little camembert in puff pastry, and I'm going to have it with a little leftover cranberry sauce. It should be delicious. And perhaps we'll have a little red wine with that. Hi, we're back. I've just arranged a couple things, a couple of throws. This one I already had. I used a minimal color palette, put cushions on that said Paris, and we have a little bit of camembert with cranberry and red wine. It doesn't take very much at all. If you gather a few things, take some of the things you have, maybe something that's a souvenir from your past travels. Here's mine of the Eiffel Tower. Or maybe somebody gave you a couple of gifts. And you put your little bit of lighting here. A nice candle. Here's another little Eiffel Tower. Arc de Triomphe. I am going to send a big thank you to you who are watching and all those who are looking after us, whether it's on the front lines for our health, or those who are providing us with all the goods and services that we are needing to stay home. So stay home and enjoy a little trip to Paris. This has been Jackie with the Dave Forsyth Band and Quick Flip Decor.